はい、こんにちは。お元気ですか皆さん。Yes? How are you? はい。私は元気です。I'm fine. 私は元気です。I'm fine. I'm good. So in today's video also, we are describing things. So here the difference with the previous video, we are making the things using specific word, right? We are highlighting things using specific words. Okay? So these are the set of words kono, sono and ano. So kono mean this, sono mean that, ano mean that over there. So in the previous video we discussed kore, sore and are. Do you remember? So kore mean that this, sore mean that, are mean that over there, right? Meanings are same, but there's a big difference. When we using kore, sore, are, after that we used wa, right? Kore wa hon desu. Like that we practiced. Kore wa, sore wa, are wa, like that. But here it's different. Here when we are using kono, sono, ano in a sentence, after that you need to use a noun, right? Noun. You need to use a noun. Kono plus noun. Sono plus noun. Ano plus noun. If we take a noun, hon. Hon mean book. So, kono, hon. Sono, hon. Ano, hon. Like that. After these words, we are using a noun. Definitely, you should use a noun. Right? So, then, if we say kono, hon, meaning is this book. Sono, hon, that book. Ano, hon, that over there book. Right? So, like that. We are specify the noun. We are highlighting it. Okay. So, after that, we are adding wa. And then, we add rest of the sentence. Right? So, after the noun, remember, you need to use wa. So, if we take kono, the noun is hon, kono, hon, wa, and then you can add the rest of the sentence, right? So, if we say, I'll take example here. If we say, this book is mine. So, today we are going to learn this one also. Mine. Mine means possessive noun, right? So, if we take a possessive, if you want to create a possessive noun, what we do? After the noun, we are adding no. Then you can make a possessive noun. So, that means, if we take the noun watashi, so watashi means, you know already, watashi means I. So, how to make my or mine? Yes? What we do? For watashi, we add no. Watashi no means mine or my. Right? So, in that way, you can make possessive nouns. So, Sri Lanka, you know Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka. We say Sri Lanka, right? So, if you want to make Sri Lanka, so belongs to Sri Lanka, then Sri Lanka no. Watashi no mean my, mine. Anata mean you. So, your, anata no. Right? So, like that, by adding no after the noun, you can make possessive nouns, right? Okay. So, then how to say this book is mine? So, for this word is kono. Kono. For the book, You know already the word hon. For the book, we say hon. So, kono hon. And what we do? We need to use wa here. Kono hon wa. Mine. Mine. How to make? Yes, watashi no. Watashi no. Is that all? No. Watashi no. This is a affirmative or negative sentence. Yes? It's affirmative sentence, so you know already. Kono hon wa watashi no. Need to finish with desu. Okay. So, kono hon wa watashi no desu. This book is mine. So, if you want to say that book is mine. Sono hon wa watashi no desu. Sono hon wa watashi no desu. Right? So, instead of hon, you can use any noun. Any noun you can use here. And remember, after that, we are adding wa, and then you can use rest of the sentence. You can make the rest of the sentence. Right? So, like that way, if you want to describe things near you, or things near the listener, or things away from both speaker and the listener, you can use this kono, sono and ano words. Right? Remember, kono, sono and ano, how to use in a sentence. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.